Have you ever thought about why relationships fail? We are failing as a couple simply because we're failing as individuals. I remember this story I heard about this preacher, and he was trying to work on a sermon and he was being distracted by his son. So he had to figure out something for his son to do so he could finish his sermon. So there was a magazine, and inside the magazine there was a picture of the world. So the preacher took the picture out of the magazine and began to tear it into little small pieces. He gave it to his son and he said, I want you to put the world back together. So he left to his studies, and to a surprise, moments later, here comes his son. But also to a surprise, his son had put the world back together. And the father looked at the son and said, how were you able to put the world back together so fast? And the son said, well, on the back of the picture of the world, there was a man. So I figure if I can put the man back together, then the world will follow. Oftentimes, we want to put the world together without putting the man together. If we start working on ourselves as individuals, if we begin to put ourselves together, then our relationships will come together. Then our communities will come together. Then the world will begin to come together. But as it pertains to your relationships, a couple that's not working on themselves, but trying to work on each other, that's an ingredient for a failed relationship. So if you want your relationship to work, if you want your marriage to work, then put you back together. Then everything else gonna follow. Work on you. And I pray that you're with somebody that's working on them. And everything else gonna take care of itself. And even if that person feel as if they don't need to work on them, that's not a reason for you not to continue to work on you. That's not a reason for you not to continue to want better for yourself, because they may not want better for themselves. So continue to work on you. Continue to put the man back together and watch the world follow. Y'all be great today. Be inspired.